Discover the NAB Show, the ultimate destination for media, entertainment and technology professionals. Explore innovation and connect with industry leaders right here in Las Vegas.
So Justin, can you tell me a little bit about FX Design Group?
Well, FX Design Group is a almost 40-year-old company. We started in 1986, and we are one of the only companies that offers full turnkey solutions in broadcast, trade shows, retail and storefronts, and experiential products. And full turnkey means we do the design, fabrication, and installations for those various arenas. We also do lighting design, we do lighting procurement, lighting installs, we do grid design and installs. So we have a lot of services under our one roof.
And typically, who is this for, and what are the future use perspective cases?
Much of our clientele is in the traditional TV broadcast arena. We're starting to see an uptick in corporate studios as well. We also do collegiate studios and private studios for smaller entities that may be on a much smaller scale. That are privately owned, and we also work with companies like Digital Video Group, TV One, and Philips to offer full turnkey solutions end-to-end for our clientele.
And what are you showcasing here this year at NAB?
This year we're showcasing one of our corporate broadcast sets, which is utilizing equipment from LED displays from Philips, the systems integrations from DVG, and then products from TV One, and this is where we've really seen the market kind of go in an upward direction. There's a lot more demand for it than there was even 2 to 5 years ago, and I think that's it's fantastic because I think the traditional broadcast is starting to scale down a little bit in terms of not having such grandiose studios as they used to. So we're trying to adapt with the changing times in the industry.
On that note, are you seeing any other trends unfolding in the industry? And if so, what are you doing to meet the demands of those trends?
We are. So like in traditional broadcasts, as I mentioned, they're starting to scale down the amount of capital they put towards the projects, where once you had very large budgets for entire studios, all in, meaning the SI, the systems integration, the set itself, hard scenery, lighting. So they're starting to scale those down, and so we're adapting by offering very quality solutions for our designs, but also using different types of materials, value engineering, for instance, this year our set features walls that are made to look solid, but they're actually fabric. It's printed fabric, so it allows us to spend less money on shipping. We can condense things down, and it still looks real, but the cost is a little it shaves off a lot of cost when you go to the fabrication.
Can you tell me about any recent developments within the company?
So our company actually merged with another company that was located where we were based in Orlando, Florida, about 1.5 years, almost 2 years ago, and they brought in to what we did, which was traditional broadcast design, design firm. They brought in the trade show aspects of it, retail design, but we have really, become a cohesive team with their team and our team, the Legacy FX team as we refer to them, to offer, like I said, our clients, what we think where broadcast and everything is going in the future. So for instance, a lot of changes we've seen in lighting, for instance, is now we work with a lighting partner, ICANN International. They offer a full line of PoE lighting products. So now you don't need individual electrical plugs for everything. You can run everything to a central AV switch, and it reduces the cost to bring an electrician into a studio. Like I said, we've also implemented the fabric, or we are implementing that this year into a lot of the designs. The cost of LED displays has come way down. So there's a lot of cost savings that are happening as we're moving into the future to provide our clients with really quality designs, fabrication, and products that are still going to stand the test of time and also kind of be timeless as the years go by.
That perfectly brings me on to my final question here, which is, what does the future look like for FS Design Group?
The future looks bright. We have a lot of ideas that we are putting a lot of R&D time to. We are listening to our clients and what they would like to see come out of our firm. We're also listening to, or I should say, our partners that we work with. Our lighting partners, our SI partners, are also collaborating with us to come up with better solutions, more affordable solutions for our clientele. So I think it looks great. I think we're going to be able to change with the times. I think the key to any company's success is adaptability, and I think that we've always shown that we can adapt to changing times. I don't think we would have had an almost 40-year history if we weren't able to do that. So it looks bright. It looks bright.
Justin, where can people find more information?
Well, they can go to our website, which we feature many of our selected works at www.fxgroup.tv, or they can give us a call at 407-877-9600, and we'll be happy. Any one of our sales team will be happy to speak with them about any projects. There's really no project too small or too large. We've done the entire spectrum, and we'd be glad to answer any questions that anybody has about any of our services or any of our offerings, and that's what we can do.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the show here at NAB.
Thank you.
Well.